Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about how we can connect the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro to PS5. The problem with it is something that I was researching. It doesn't get Wi-Fi or it doesn't have Bluetooth. So the only way how you can connect it is with the dongle. So here you're gonna have the aux cable in the packaging, and you're gonna have the dongle and the USB cable, or like the cable here. So all you have to do is that when you're gonna have the PS5 controller aux, you just have to insert it right there to the aux with the cable that you're gonna get. So you're gonna have one port is going to be BlackShark V2 Pro, the second one is going to be the controller, and there you got it. But it's not going to be possible to, same thing, well, let's say with PS4. It's not going to be possible to do it through the Bluetooth because it doesn't have Bluetooth. So have a great day and goodbye.